on, Pretty! Stop being so vicious. Guys, hi. Today we are going to be seeing the birds. This is Fat Pretty, Fat Cat 99. So we are going up to the monastery and we are going to go look at the birds. So we're going to take you guys so you can see all like the really nice pretty birds and some really cute unusual ones.
And make sure to check out his Kung Fu FPV channel. Oh, there's my mandarin skin.
So this is our backyard. We got a fountain. That means we're rich.
And those fountains on the side, but I don't know if they work together.
There's ones down there that work. Okay, anyway. So that's the shed. It's really pretty. I like the blue and the yellow garden. Lots of nice flowers. And there's a fish in here. The rest of them died though. So I don't know, guys. Can you see it? Anyway. Can you see anything?
Might see when we come back if we can see it. But...
Yeah, but I don't think
I
there's...
found it!
Oh, guys,
It's under there.
Guys, you said it's under there. Can you...
What'd you find?
The fish.
Oh, don't touch the water.
It's under there. If you guys come here, you can see the fish.
Okay, guys, let's go over. Oh, guys, look, can you see it? Can you see that? Look, can you see that orange? Right
That's
there.
the fish.
Look at it. It's right
Come on,
there.
let's go.
Okay, anyway, let's go. Look how cool that is. There's like literally a door. Like, this is like private
Oh my
stuff.
gosh. Spiderweb, don't go there. There are hundreds of spiderwebs.
So, down there you can hear the birds. There's cages you can see. Crunching ASMR. Wow, guys, look how cool that is. Look at those oranges. The birds, they eat them. Anyway, those guys are Tweety. Could you see any, guys? Can you see that there's a parrot right there? Look at it. It's on that swingy thing. See, guys, look, can you see those birds?
There's a neon bird in there.
We got the path. We got some nice trees. Pink flowers. Oh, I mean leaves.
My cat's gone wild. I can hear him go. There are lots of feathers around here.
So, guys.
Oh my gosh,
Guys,
the
look,
pigeons
there
came
are
out.
pigeons. Okay, guys, we're going to go to the budgies first. But we're going to be a bit quiet because we don't need to disturb the priest.
Come on, Daddy.
Guys, look. Look how cute these are. Look at that budgie. I'm going to see if I can get a closer look for you guys. Look at that one. It's on the swing.
And the down there's a
Guys,
little
can you see a kiwi? So cute. And look, more birds.
This patch. We'll take
Guys,
a look at
down
him
there.
soon.
Can you see that little acorn? And there's some more at the back.
They like
That's
it.
pretty cute.
Come on, let's go.
So, and there's some kiwis. You guys, let's go to the pigeons now. Guys, look, the pigeons who are not in the cage are just hanging out with their friends on top. Oh, on top. So let's go down. And guys, can you guys see those pigeons?
Oh my gosh, that's a big fat rooster in there. Oh my
Guys,
gosh.
do you see that chicken? Look at it.
It's fat.
There's some
There are
pigeons,
so
flaming
many.
pigeons.
Oh my
Let's go over here so we can get a better look.
There are some giant pigeons in there, I saw.
Oh, they are chickens. There are chickens in there, guys.
Oh my god.
There's some more pigeons. They're
Oh,
puffed up.
Up there, that
There's
one's so
more
cute.
up there. Oh, guys.
Oh
Oh,
my.
guys. That one fell down. So that's really cute.
Come
Where
on.
did those chickens go?
I found that.
They're back there.
Oh my gosh, there's a teddy bear in there. Aww.
Okay, anyway, look how cute they are. Hey, guys. We're going to go see the dog now.
Daddy, come and go to see the dog.
Guys, look. It is Patchy. Look at him. Hello, he's meant to be a guard dog, but he's too friendly. Hello. Oh geez, he's excited. Hello. He's good. Hello. There we go. Let's just see some human nature.
You're so cute. We love visiting you.
Oh Jesus, guys. By the way, this guy is in left alone. He gets his meals and food. Some of his toys. That's where he sleeps. So he... Bye, Patch!
Bye, Patch.
Bye! Oh, I feel so bad for leaving him. Guys, anyway, bye, Patch.
I said come on, Patch. I meant come on, Aria.
Bye!
Oh, that Taylor's so
I
cute.
feel so bad for him. Okay, guys, let's keep
There's a
going.
girl's brushing there.
Oh, jeez. Move.
Come on.
Because now we are going to go see the birds.
Oh, there's some steps there. Cute.
Guys, look at those cute
Oh my gosh, there's some
kiwis.
white kiwis there, you.
Guys, look at these birds. Birds.
Birds.
Look at that one.
Birds.
You kind of see them?
Oh my gosh, look how cute that
Oh,
one.
guys, look at that little orange one. We got some finches in here too. That's one. There's another one.
There's a bucket of seeds
Look how
in
cute
there.
they are. Anyway, these ones are pretty cute. There's some more, not
I
good.
know how open
Guys,
does to
let's
get in.
see.
Open that, then open that.
We've got
and
some
go in.
kiwis on the floor.
Perfect red one too.
Guys,
I know, it's so cute.
so I think there are more finches in here. Look, finch.
Finch.
On there, there's a finch. We got another one of those guys. Oh, look, that's a really good picture. Look at this guy. Look at him. Oh my gosh, so much going on in this cage.
Oh, this is a tiny one. Oh my gosh, it's
There's a little finch over there. Look
oh
at
my
this
gosh, look
one.
at that puffed one.
That's really cute. And there's that pink one. Oh, okay guys, we're gonna have to wrap this up in a second. So yeah, that's pretty cute. And now, last one. What happens on 5? Look at these.
Oh my gosh. Hi.
Oh, Jesus.
So
Okay, so
cute.
let's see what else. There's some more over here. So quickly guys before my iPad runs out. And look at these.
Oh my gosh, that big fat feather man.
Oh, we got this really big rooster
Have you
here
ever
with a
seen
long
what's
tail.
on top of the roof?
And we just got some. What are these called again? I forgot. What are those called again? I forgot. Anyway.
Parrots, lorikeets.
No,
I forgot.
they're not. Okay, so that's pretty cute, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Say bye.
Bye.
Say
and make sure
bye.
to stay tuned and watch how to sit on the lounge.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for coming. Say bye, birds. Bye. Bye.